Well, cheapskates, you're in the right place. I love a bargain. I like to buy all of the cheap stuff and use to review on this channel. I use it as an opportunity of justifying spending on AJ's business card. So tuck away your moth-eaten wallets until you've heard about this budget offering, the Mini Gun on-body microphone. This tiny microphone, cleverly labelled the Mini Gun, claims to offer superb sound, audio and video recording. I found it on Amazon, $25.99, with Prime next day delivery, free for us here in the UK. And that makes it worth having a closer look. In the studio we have a Rode Video Mic Go, which was £70. And that's pretty much what all compact on-body microphones clearly aspire to. Hopefully from using this, I'm able to offer an informed view on which you should buy. In the box is everything you need to get started for this plug and play accessory. Obviously there is the microphone itself and a shock mount which has a cold shoe adapter, which is also mountable by a 1/4 inch thread. And for filming outdoors, there's a dead cat windshield. There's also a 3.5mm TRS and a TRRS connector, a furry windshield, a user manual, and a vegan leather pouch, which is just a posh way of saying fake leather. With all of that, let's take a closer look at some of the good bits of the Mini Gun MG1 microphone. I love that you don't need to worry about batteries for this mic. Just plug it into your DSLR or your cell phone and you're done. The cold shoe adapter having that 1/4 inch thread is really good too. It's going to offer you options for mounting different accessories. The microphone itself, it feels pretty weighty for its size, and its finish feels, well, really good quality. But there are some bad bits. I guess a good place to start would be to switch across to the audio for the Mini Gun so that we can kick off with some of these negatives. We've switched over to the untreated sounds of the Mini Gun microphone. Now, the Amazon listing states that this product is unidirectional and omnidirectional. However, this is actually a cardioid microphone. Obviously, that's just confusing. Did they do this for searchability, or is it because the person making the listing just doesn't know? More frustrating than an unclear description is the fact that you don't get a normal muff foam cover for this microphone, which for most people will be the regular cover that you would choose. This is really annoying. The size could be a good point if you are using this microphone for a mobile phone setup, but on top of a DSLR, it looks tiny. Also, the shock mount doesn't actually do anything. It is a microphone attachment. In no way does it do the job of a shock mount. So again, the description is an issue. Finally, it's just not that good. Its sound isn't as rich as what you would hope for, and this is supposed to be an audio enhancement. But listen to that room tone it picks up. It isn't a huge enhancement. Let's switch back to the normal audio. So who is this Mini Gun microphone for? Its price point is great for beginners and the cables enable you to connect to mobile or DSLR. For me, this has a place as a valid purchase, and that's for mobile filmmakers. The Mini Gun listing appears to target this for DSLRs, but again, the description is an issue. Perhaps anyone who is just finding their way in vlogging, tutorials, and maybe has a gimbal, this would be the perfect microphone. The audio is going to be considerably better than that of a cell phone. But if you shoot video on mobile, then I can definitely recommend that you check out this microphone. So if that's you and you want to take a closer look at the Mini Gun MG1 microphone, I've dropped a link down below this video. If you found this video helpful, then please do give us a thumbs up. And if you want to keep up to date with more tech bargains, then make sure you switch on that notification bell. And for everything else, I'll be down in the comments. Of course, you can catch up with us across social media, but be wary of Twitter. That's where AJ hangs out. Thanks for watching. That's all for this one, and I hope you'll join me in the next. Bye.
And we're giving it away.
No, we're not.
Look at it, it's flying. Giving it away. Giving it away.
Can you not do that?
You're giving it away.
No, it's not a giveaway.
This one.
And
we're giving it away.
We've recently done a giveaway as well, which is of another product.
And we're giving this one away.
No, we're not. We've already done a giveaway.
Giving it away.
AJ, I've only just bought
Giving
it.
it away. We're going to give it away.
Right, I'll get your stuff and we'll give your stuff away.
Oh, okay then. I'll get this in quickly before it finishes. So yes, Pete's just done a video reviewing this DSLR microphone, and I don't like it so much, so we're going to give it away. And that is considerably better value than buying on Amazon. Just click a few buttons. So head on over to the video, look in the description, watch the video, then click on that, win the microphone. I'm really happy, and you make Pete a little bit more angry.
Come back next week and we'll give something away of AJ's.
We're never giving my stuff away, just Pete's. Thank you.